Welcome to Stackable, your all-in-one solution to building stunning websites with the WordPress block editor. In this video, you will learn all about global color schemes. Global color schemes allow you to control and update colors across your entire site. You can either select from 50 preset color schemes, customize an existing scheme, create your own color scheme from scratch, and once applied, these colors automatically update across all stackable blocks. Access global color schemes. To get started, open the Stackable design system from the toolbar and open the Global Color Schemes panel. You will see here two color schemes, the default scheme and color scheme 2, which are both using the default blue and gray scheme for stackable blocks. Below this is the default block color settings. This is where you can assign how the color schemes are used. The base color scheme is for text, accents, and buttons when no special options are enabled. The background mode color scheme is for when background is enabled for the block, and the container mode is for when the container is enabled for the block. Why does this matter? So you can set accents or add variations to different blocks or sections on your website. You will see how that applies to blocks later on. Selecting color schemes. Going back up, let's click Default Scheme to change it. Now, you will find 50 preset color schemes. Selecting any of these will automatically apply it to the blocks. When you scroll down, you will see how the colors are applied: the background, headings, text, links, accents, buttons, button text, button outline. If you wanted to keep this color scheme but wanted to change one of the colors, you can simply open the color picker for the element and adjust it accordingly. Or you can completely make your own. Let's scroll back up and click on this reset button. Scroll back down and create our own color scheme. Right below the preset color schemes, you will see this toggle. Show scheme colors in color pickers. This means that when you select a color scheme, it gets added to your color picker. For example, when you select the block and you want to edit its colors, you will see the color scheme in the color picker. Going back to the color schemes, you can always toggle this off if you don't want your color schemes to appear in your color picker. Assigning color schemes. As we've previously discussed, you have to assign color schemes to different modes. Like for example, in this block, we have the background turned on. This is the background mode, and in this block, the container is turned on. This is the container mode. We can assign different schemes for these two different modes. Let's go back to the Global Color Schemes panel and select a new scheme for Color Scheme 2. Here I will select this color scheme. Now we can see how that applies to the different blocks on our page. Finally, we can also directly assign a color scheme to one block. Just in case we wanted to use a different scheme for a block, we can easily do that. Just select the block, go to either the background panel or the container background panel, depending on what mode it's on, and open the color scheme drop-down menu. Select which scheme you want to use, and you're done. With global color schemes, you can change colors site-wide with one click, apply different color modes for specific blocks, save time by eliminating repetitive updates. This is part of Stackable's global design system, helping you build faster and more efficiently. Ready to take control of your site's colors? Update Stackable now and start using global color schemes today. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Stackable updates, tips, and tutorials. You can also join our Facebook community or visit our website for more information. We'll link them down below.